Today I'm Lorna Fernandez of the Goa Women's Forum. We are here today because it's the International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women, and we came to meet the SP with a memorandum of 5 points, asking him basically, as the theme for this day is digital abuse is also abuse. So we have asked him to put in an action plan. Basically creating awareness between senior citizens, women senior citizens, the village child committees, the elected representatives, self-help groups, and all of, the marginalized kind of groups. We were not able to meet him, but we will be coming again in a couple of days. We also wanted to take up with him that we had sent a memorandum to him day before yesterday with regards to this Osho poster that has been going around, which is promoting Goa as a ultimate sexual tourism destination. And we are very anxious and kind of upset about it, and we want the authorities to take action.
No, there is one more issue. There is a lot of demand regarding the women police station, setting up of women police station.
Correct. This demand we had made actually in our last memorandum on the 25th of November. But we had given a 10-point agenda at that time, 10 points to deal with it. We were going to discuss that also with him. That nothing has actually happened from those 10 points that we gave in last year. And one of those demands was to have a full-fledged women's police station, and they had told us that it was shortly coming up. But till now, 1 year later, and we still haven't seen even a small inch forward. We just visited it just now, and we saw how congested it is, even like for the 6 or 7 of us to go in there was no space to move. So it is an ongoing demand that we need a full-fledged women's police station, because women are not given the space that they deserve.